Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. We're going to a birthday party at Sophia. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. We're making a card for Ate Sophia, and also we gonna invite her. She invite us to her birthday, and I'm also making a letter and the famous mermaid.
Okay. Can you show your card? Oh, wow. Are you the one writing that one?
Wow.
Okay, continue. Ang ganda. Ate Sophia will be happy. Say, tell them, see you later.
See you later.
How many pairs we have? Guys, outside this one, okay? Okay. So when we're going to play the music, and then
Imagine ko si Florida na si Sally
stop. Okay. Step on the paper. Make sure.
Come on, dance! You have to dance around, dance! Come on, everybody dance! I want you to dance! Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Okay, we have the winner. You have it when the music, guys. Okay, just pass.
Shakira.
Teddy, show your tennis.
Watermelon candy.
Your mouth is full?
Okay.
Bakit lang, Be?
Cheese.
Teddy!
Hey, no, don't touch it. I will buy it. Guys, no one eat the golden thing.
It's okay later. We're gonna eat first McDonald's.
Sophia, are you happy today? Bye-bye, Ate. Thank you for inviting Teddy.
You're welcome.
Teddy, what is your message to Ate Sophia?
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye.
What about the balloon?
Okay.
It takes forever to open, I can say. You won't like it, I'm sure. It's a crayon box.
Hoy!
It's a crayon box.
There you go.
Or makeup.
And then
Not crayon.
a card.
She has she has a card. She's writing.
Sophia, I forgot. There's a card here also. A birthday card. You love it? Sophia,
Look what we're gonna do.
Sophia,
I'm gonna stack them here.
Sophia. Yeah.
Yeah, the next one.
Now you open one. Okay, where is it? This is mine.